In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to Yahoo Mail with password. Let's get started. First, you want to open your web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any browser you prefer. Once it is open, type Yahoo into the search bar and press enter. You will see various links related to Yahoo. This step is essential because it gets you to the right place to access your email. After searching, look for the Yahoo homepage link. It's typically the first result. You will recognize it by its familiar logo and layout. Next, click on the correct link to go to the Yahoo homepage. This is where you'll find the tools you need to access your email. It is crucial to choose the right link to ensure you are on the official Yahoo site. This helps protect your account from potential phishing attempts. Once you click the link, the homepage will load and you will see various options including news, finance, and of course the sign in button. Now locate and click the sign in button on the top right corner of the Yahoo homepage. This button is usually highlighted and easy to find. By clicking this, you are starting the process of accessing your email account. This action will redirect you to the sign in page where you will enter your login information. It's a straightforward step, but it's the gateway to accessing your email, so make sure not to skip it. At this point, you need to type your full Yahoo email address, username, or phone number into the input box. Be sure to enter this information correctly. This step is vital because it identifies your account in Yahoo's system. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you are entering the correct one to avoid any confusion later. Once you've typed it in, take a moment to double-check for any typos before proceeding. Once you have entered your email address, click the blue Next button. This button will take you to the next step in the sign-in process. It is important because clicking Next confirms the information you provided and moves you forward to the password entry screen. After you click this button, you will see a prompt for your password. This is a critical step, so ensure you proceed only when you are ready to enter your password. Now, type your account password into the password box. This is where you need to be careful. Make sure you enter your password correctly as it is case sensitive. This step is crucial because it protects your account from unauthorized access. If you type it incorrectly, you may be locked out temporarily. After entering your password, take a moment to verify it before moving on, as this will save you time and prevent frustration later. If you are on a personal device, consider keeping the Stay Signed In box checked. This option saves you from having to type your password every time you want to access your email. It enhances convenience, especially if you check your email frequently. However, if you are using a public or shared device, it is best to leave this unchecked for security reasons. Finally, click the Sign In button to complete the process. This action will log you into your Yahoo Mail account. You will see your inbox load with all your messages. This step is the culmination of all your previous actions. If everything has been entered correctly, you will be logged in successfully. And there you have it. You are now signed into your Yahoo Mail account. Enjoy checking your emails and keeping in touch with your contacts.